How to make money with affiliate marketing. Well, best affiliate programs. There's a lot of information to wade through before you start generating affiliate revenue. Although you may already to promoting variously product and service, you are not earning money online as an affiliate partner until you choose from the different affiliate programs and sign up. What's a successful affiliate marketing strategy? Use an affiliate business and affiliate product that you already know and use. If you do not, you will find it easy to create content and promote product and earn passive income. Number one, Amazon Associate. Amazon is our largest affiliate sales programs in the world. There are literally millions of products available. Number two, affiliate futures. Affiliate future boast a network of more than 600 advertised. Number three, event link. Event links focus on the partnership with more than 800 premium advertising brands. Campaigns focus on the brand and indirectly the product under the brand's umbrella. Number four, CG Affiliate. The company focus the company focus on affiliate campaigns for some heavy hitter companies such as Overstock, Blue Apron, TurboTax, Batis, and Novel. Number five, ClickBank.com. Affiliate marketing works on the site by connecting innovative product owner the affiliate marketing for some products owner and marketing budget may not support high commission until they prove affiliate marketing success. This is one of the biggest affiliate network to so earning how to use ClickBank can pay off. Number six, flex offer. More than 12,000 advertisers have signed up for flex offer affiliate marketing campaign. The company has an affiliate platform with multiple levels of digital performance-based marketing tools. Number seven, Link Connector. This company has exclusives on a number of global brands. Number eight, PPC or paid per click. This is great option to bloggers to generate income. Number nine, sharesale.com with the program to focus increasing online sales. The company product or service is started as a link back to the site. Shopify, this is a great fit for people who run online training course or webinar through their own website.